Good.
That was scary,
Scales?
dog.
Damn you, King Julian.
Oh my god, it's these guys again.
Right now, I should recommend.
Alright, I'm gonna go take care of that food downstairs.
I will not be able to get a salad turned.
Cool. It's burnt.
How dare you burn the... I'll eat it.
Alright.
Man, who has like a vendetta against the bottom half of the pineapple?
Oh, I was gonna say you can try and go board, but I'm not sure if you can make it.
That was a good time. I'll go. Boarding.
Oh, you might make it.
No, not gonna make it.
A bit too short.
Yep.
They're turning out.
They're really bad under pressure, by the way.
Now, now should be a good time to board. Raise the thing a bit higher when you get back.
Okay.
Actually, I'll have one waiting for
Okay.
you.
Ready?
Wait,
Yeah, I'm in. Thank you.
that might be a little bit off.
That's pretty close.
Tell them to come back. We have their cannonballs.
Hey, we got your cannonballs, guys. You want a bag?
No, we already are giving them back. one at a time.
Yep.
But yeah, we have like a shit ton of it. Just fucking go crazy. Well, surely one of these will hit.
Okay. You might be able to board here. Getting there.
I can't tell.
Shooting, I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
Boarding.
I hit somebody apparently? Whatever, massive squeaky.
Okay, anchored.
Anchored.
Good job.
Thank you. I'm dead.
Oh, anchoring is good.
Now we just need to get closer.
They have good anchor discipline.
We have a holding below.
Yep.
They got
Coming
enough.
back.
Alright, turning murder.
I'll check repairs when I get back. I'm back.
Just get bucket.
Bucketing.
Oh my god, why are you ready? I wanted us to get a little bit closer before I use the chains because we only have like 2.
Repairing mid.
Guys, come back! We're gonna give you your cannonballs back! Please! Please, 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 please!
We're gonna repairs. Checking masks. Oh. Okay.
We'll find.
Yep, we're all good.
I'm
All
gonna,
repaired.
I'm gonna restock on cannonballs at least for this crate real quick. Also gonna...
We still have 3 other crates on the other side of the other cannons.
You might want to go for a board.
Yep, gonna go for a board.
I'll raise it a bit higher.
Thank you. Good shot,
I'm not
thanks.
sure if they're Yeah, I'm not sure if they're gonna turn out to the right. I try to shot preemptively, but it might not be in your favor.
Nope, I'll have to reset. No worries.
Yeah.
It was a good shot.
Yeah. I figured that I thought they were gonna make a hard right, but I guess not.
Yep. I would have harpooned that rock, so...
Can we, actually? No, we're too far away. We're gonna go for the most craziest maneuver of all time.
Hello.
You're shooting at us.
I don't think I can raise that rock. Nope.
Going,
You up? You want me to raise front sail?
No. I keep running.
I'm gonna be up the board here in a second. They see me. They repelled my board.
No!
Coming back.
Stop running!
I'm back.
I don't have angle.
Just.
They're about to get into it. They're about to get into it. Rain hellfire! I am whiffing all my shots today. Yeah, this highway's disgusting.
Going to try boarding.
Or is it a bit higher? And a little bit more to the right.
If you do succeed in boarding, instead of anchoring them, give them a hard left so that they can sail on bounds.
Will do.
They shot a boarder over.
Alright.
I'm gonna
Build
board.
Deacon Cannon.
I think the boarder missed.
I'm gonna board.
Yeah, boarder missed.
Couple second checks.
Boarder managed to hit me. Bad boarder.
Alright, yeah, we're good.
Killed one.
Miss.
Killed two.
Good job, good job.
I'm dead. I turned them left, so hopefully that works.
Alright.
We're about to sail out of bounds.
No, we're fine. We're on a hard rail.
Oh my god, fucking... Grizzly, that fucking cannon you just fired was fucking sick. I saw it hit.
Kind of shot and left it.
I'm about to this angle.
We're turning left. Or right, sorry. Yeah, I lost it really fortunately. But we'll get it back. On the left side of our ship.
Checking repairs.
I'm gonna refill this.
It's just mid shots that we'd have to repair, but I don't think we have any anymore. Actually.
Yep, we're good on mid. Check masts.
Yeah, check masts.
Oh shit.
We're good, looks like. Oh, one. We'll repair that. Okay, fixed.
Where there?
On our left.
On our left side. Where are they going? Let us fight you!
Where are they going? Oh, they're going back to the middle. Okay, roughly.
Hey, you want to hear my attempt at rizzing you up? Alright, here it goes. Please, 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 please.
Oh,
I don't think they liked it.
No, I don't think so.
Damn, I really put my heart out into that one. Damn, you know what I should have done? I should have just said nothing at all.
They sent a border.
Oh, I got it.
Yep, in the water. I see him.
Not even close.
No, he's so far away.
Can't even
Oh, yeah.
fire.
I'll go take care of the fire. Ow!
Thank you.
Did he shoot fire again?
Tough fight.
Did he? Dog, why is the water not hitting there? What is this water rag? Oh my god, this water's not good. The water's not making it go out. Alright, you guys gotta hit it. For some reason it's not registering my water. Alright, there you go.
Repairing mast. Front.
Big cannonballs do these guys have?
I know. I feel like we just beat them. I feel like they should run out. Water!
Sent another board.
He might make this.
Mid is repaired. I'm gonna go board.
Hey, Jesse! Bye, Jesse! Oh my god, come on, let me jump over!
Boarding. And 3.
Alright, I'm trying to take out the remaining of fire. There you go.
Oh, dead. They're on anchor.
Oh, I killed one with a cannonball.
Nice job.
Oh, nice job, Anchor.
Thank you.
Alright, this is where I put these chainsaws into play, hopefully.
I'm raising sails.
Oh, completely whipped that one. Alright, middle mast is down.
Blunders would be good.
Gonna try and hit him with the blunder bomb.
Loading back. I'm back.
They got anchor up.
Gonna go repair.
Yep.
We're okay in water.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh,
Good job.
Alright, let's go for this. Let's raise sails. Someone raise
GG's!
GG's. Raising front. Pumps raised.
Please, 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 please. Oh my god, I got turned around.